National Chemistry Week is the third full week of October, and it's ideally encompassing October 23rd.
October 23rd is what's known as Mole Day.
Specifically because chemists use the word mole as a way to describe a really large number of something. And the number for that is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd power. So October 23rd. So that's where the day comes from. And we just use it to have fun and talk about all sorts of mole-related stuff. I believe that we have been partnering with the Culinary School here at TJC to have a periodic table of cupcakes. So we should have 118-ish cupcakes.
Today we are making cupcakes that resemble the periodic table.
We kind of split it off into the different zones of the periodic table, so noble gases, metalloids, so on and so forth.
Non-metals got to be a certain color, and that was like green, and so they got a lime filling. Or what we call the transition metals, they were an orange color, they got to be an orange filling.
What we did to make them more interesting is we added raspberry and blueberry compotes, as well as an orange compote and zest to bring in different flavors. And each color has a different flavor. We made plaques out of modeling chocolate, and then we topped those with royal icing that was dyed black with black cocoa powder.
Getting to work with modeling chocolate and royal icing is fairly new to me, and I'm really realizing I really want and need to hone my fine motor skills when it comes to writing and with the royal icing.
When we were making the lemon curd and the pastry cream, it's really interesting to see it go from a liquid to a semi-solid. It's my favorite part of baking. I really love the chemistry aspect. There's a lot of chemistry in baking.
Everybody's kind of familiar with the vinegar baking soda reaction, which to me is a reaction of an acid with a substance that has carbonate, it's like sodium bicarbonate. And anytime you put one of those two types of substances together, acids with things that have the carbonate, you get carbon dioxide gas. When you do that reaction with different chemicals inside a batter, that reaction is what makes the dough rise, because those CO2 gas bubbles, they give you the lift and so forth.
I have this assistant of mine called Professor Molnium. He usually has his little mole minions helping me around the lab area, and about this time of the year, they always go missing. So I usually enlist as many student helpers as I can find to help me hunt down where these moles have gone. And so I'm asking people this year that if they find these moles sometime during National Chemistry Week to just take their phone, snap a photo of it, and then when they've submitted all their pictures, then I usually give them a reward.
We just each took time just looking in what spot we were walking in and in different areas, so.
And look up too.
Yeah.
Just search Jenna Cove up and down, and they can be in the tiniest nooks and crannies. Just think of where you wouldn't think to look.
Yeah, I'm looking for the 10th mole. I have 9 already, and I believe it's down there.